So here, this I clicked, so it is running now. Okay, and here on the bottom, it is already here. So it is starting. You see, this is my new operating system, which is starting inside my Windows. So I repeat, I have Windows operating system, and inside Windows, I use VirtualBox. This is Oracle VM VirtualBox. Inside VirtualBox, I am using this ISO image, the ISO file, and it is going to create another, start another operating system here. Okay, so it is being booting. It is starting. Okay, the Windows is black because we it is starting now, so it will take a few minutes, and after you will see what is happening. So let's wait for it to start. Just wait a bit. Yes, I don't hear. Just wait. What? Repeat. Well, I will show you both. The better one is this. If you have more memory, this is better. This one, because the reason is you can stop it and you can delete anything without any problem. In the flash, I will tell you also. Just let's finish this one and then I will tell you the flash. Okay? Yeah, I tried to record, but I installed. Okay, I recorded the screen, so I can show it to you. Now. This, you see, it is inside Windows. Okay, so this is another operating system, but I tell you, you see here, this is Mint. This is running. Okay, this is the desktop, and I can make it full screen. Just wait. If I click here, small, wait, view full screen. Okay, so if I view, this is host F, control F, in full screen mode I can switch to full screen. Now you see, it's just like an operating system, another operating system running in your machine. Okay, this is in full screen. I can create a menu. I have many things. For example, I can go to places, I can go to downloads, videos, pictures, accessories. I can run calculator, for example. Okay, so this is my calculator in Mint operating system. Okay, then I can have preferences, administration, many things over here. Okay, this usage analyzer. I go here now. 496 available. Total is 516. Home folder. This information is here. What else I have that you can open this folder to show the files. Click to show the desktop. Okay, this is desktop and these are my files. So this is my home folder in Linux. These are my documents. Okay, I see my desktop and all those things just like Windows. Okay. One important thing I need to tell you that this I started, but I have not yet installed it. Okay, it is just like in RAM. If I turn it off, if I do anything here, for example, I create a new file. Okay, create a new document here, empty document. Let's say I write something. I open this document. I press enter. Open this document. Inside this document, I write anything. Okay, I save it. Okay, now this is in RAM, which means that the operating system is not installed. If I want to install it, I can use this, no problem. I will just click on this, install Linux Mint, okay, and it will install this, so which means that if I start it again, things will be here, okay. But in this version, because I'm just showing you, I'm not installing it. Yes, what I say is that if you click on this install Linux, you can install this. Okay, so for example, I'm just showing you the example. This is my English language. Okay, here I have other languages. You can also install it in Arabic. Okay, so I can continue. Keyboard, continue. Okay, now it says you need 10.7 GB disk to install Linux Mint. My computer has only 3.2 GB. Why? Because if I show you, okay, now I'm quitting, I'm not installing it, just showing you. But if the disk space is 10.7 or more, I can install it. I show you why is this only 3.2 GB, because here I go back to Windows. So I minimize it, I go back to Windows. Here, if you go to settings, okay, so here I have storage, and I use this storage which is only 1.81 GB, 2 GB actually. I created this only, this is my storage VDI. Yes, this is, sorry, 1.8 GB size is the size of which I downloaded. This is 1.8 GB. You can see here, okay. And the hard disk I created in the beginning, I told you, this hard disk is 3 GB. Okay. If you want to install this, when you create hard disk, you give it more space. I just gave it only 3 GB because I did not want to install it. But if you want to install, you can try. You should. Okay. I suggest. I encourage you to install this. So make a bigger hard disk, 11 GB. What will happen to the hard disk? This is virtual hard disk, which means inside the operating system, it will create a file here. You see, this is the address. C users Hamid VirtualBox VMs. I will show you this. Yes, I don't hear you. What? ما في عربي. So this is my Linux Mint hard disk. In this is where I have installed. You see, the size the size is 3 GB. Oh. This is my hard disk whose size is 2 GB something. Okay. Now, if I want to stop this, I can just say, for example, close this machine, pause this machine. Okay, so let me close this. Yes, power off the machine. Okay, so Linux Mint is gone. This is how I have Linux Mint inside Windows. Okay, now this is powered off. This is one way of using Linux Mint. Okay, why are we going to use Linux Mint? Because we will be inside Linux Mint, we will be using some commands that I'm going to show you in this course. Okay, now I go to another thing.